So the installer workshop is basically, it's a hands-on event. So we invite customers to come in. We'll do a morning of classroom. We do show the factory in the afternoon, and then we'll get right into the hands-on part. So about 3/4 of it is actually hands-on. So we make sure we have enough stations so that everybody's participating. That way everybody gets hands-on experience with it. So it's pretty beneficial from that standpoint, that it's not just me standing or somebody else standing in front of a classroom, just lecturing people. Yeah, the biggest advantage to signing up and coming is that, again, you do get hands-on experience. So when you leave the workshop and get back on the job site, you can do things as efficiently as possible. You're going to minimize your rework and cut down on your labor. The number one reason to come to Pennsylvania for the workshop is you get the experience of hands-on training from the people who do it. And definitely, I've yet to have somebody on the last night say to me, "I didn't learn anything."